it's your girl C. Me there same way. Me not gone away. And that's why I'm here to talk to you guys today. You know, I know it's been a while, but I'm here to tell you today, guys, that it's okay to take a break. You know, it's okay to slow down. You know, it's okay to lose a job. It's okay to lose an opportunity. It's okay when a marriage ends. You know, it's okay, you know, when you suffer a loss. What is not okay is pressing on, burning yourself out, knowing that you're not okay, and refusing to seek the help that you need or the time that you need. That is what is not okay, because guess what? When you burn out, a hospital take you, or dead house take you, you know, what else can you do? You have to know yourself and know how much you can take and how much you can't take. And then, you know, you proceed from there. You know, so a lot of people have been messaging me and I see the messages. Some of them I haven't responded to, you know, but it's not that I'm being disrespectful. You know, the time, trust me, time is of the essence right now in my life. But I'm still here. I was able to do things, you know, continuously and more consistently. I'm not able to do that right now because of other engagements. And remember, if you have too many pot of fire, something are gonna get burned. So you have to understand that. You know, we have our well, I can't speak for everybody. I have my personal life. You all know I go to school, I have the children, and I work, and then I do everything, and I'm trying to do this. You know, I'm trying to juggle, but sometimes, you know, a ball will drop and you have to stop the juggling and you got to pick up that ball. And, you know, that's what I'm saying, that you have to know yourself and you have to know as an individual how much you can take. If you need some time off, take some time off. You don't always have to be in the spotlight. You don't always have to be on the front line. And a lot of times people are burned out and people know that they're suffering mentally and emotionally, but just to be on the front page so that everybody can see them, and you put on this face, you put on this facade just to please the public while inside you're dying. CC is not one of those persons. You understand me? I have engagements where if I don't dedicate a certain amount of time to it, I'll suffer in the long run. Now I forecast my life and I don't want to go through that pain. So I'm stopping right now. I'm slowing down, not stopping, and I'm doing what I have to do. And we all go through things in lives. You have to know and learn when to take a break. You know, your relationship is not working out. Don't sit down in it and, you know, hoping and praying that it will get better. It's the same pattern for years. Why do you think it will change? Get the hell out. Get out right now while you can. Get out alive while you can. You know, you're in a job and it's not fulfilling. You know, think about starting your own. If not, you have the qualification, the credentials, and the experience. Try to seek something else. You understand me? You're feeling down personally, take some time. If it means getting off social media for a while, you get off, because in all honesty, while social media has its a lot of pros, I can sit right now and say that it has just about the same amount of cons. You understand me? And this thing is pressuring, and if you do not know yourself, and if you don't have that level of self-confidence and self-esteem, this thing will break you down, like break down your walls completely. You understand me? I'm tough like a rock. Y'all can throw whatever you want at me. It doesn't bother me. You know, I've grown past that stage, and this is what I want people to understand. When you're not okay, do not come on here and act as if you're okay while you're dying inside. Put the damn phone down. Stop stressing yourself over who's going there, who's gone there, who got married, and, you know, who's having children. Try to sort out your life. Try to deal with things at yard first before you try to go abroad. And stop trying to live to please people. Like I'm telling you, one of the greatest feelings and fulfillment that you'll ever experience in your life is learning, honestly, learning not to care about what others think. And don't call me unambitious. Don't think that I'm careless or reckless. But honestly, you know, if any opinion should matter, it should be mine. And I realize that you'll try to live your life how you see it fit, how it suits you. And people on the outside who knows nothing about your struggle, knows nothing about anything at all, you know, they'll come and they'll try to live your life for you. They'll tell you what to do and what not to do. And no, those things messes with you, with your head mentally. I'm telling you, they'll mess with you. You know, so it's all about taking a break sometimes. Slow down if you must. Never stops. And even if you stop physically, you know, you should have that mental planner in your head where, you know, say, you know what, when I get back out there, this is what I'm gonna do. Take a break, get to know yourself, get to understand yourself, plan out your life. Is what I'm doing fulfilling me? No, I need to get out of this. Take some time for yourself. It's not worth it. Work on you, because at the end of the day, you is all you got. Me not gone nowhere. Me there see me. This is a girl C saying have a wonderful day, and I'm always here. Ain't going nowhere.